Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up Ghost's interactive videos on your Webflow website. If you're looking to enhance your online store with interactive video content, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com as seen in the browser bar above before signing in with your account credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll be greeted with the Ghost home page, at which point we'll look to the left-hand side and select Collections from the navigation menu. The collections page will show you all the video collections you've created in your admin to date, along with the option on the right-hand side of each bar to add to site. We'll select Add to Site before being presented with the option to choose between 3 distinct display types. For today's purposes, we'll be moving forward with the video carousel. Once clicking Continue, we'll be greeted with 2 simple steps along with 2 simple code snippets to embed on site. To begin, we'll want to copy the first snippet using the icon on the right-hand side before moving into our Webflow dashboard. Once you're in Webflow, you can select the icon Webflow from the top left-hand side of the screen and navigate to Site Settings. Once on the Site Settings page, we can navigate down to Custom Code before identifying the header code box and including our initial core script. Once we've identified the head code box, we'll include our core script before saving changes using the blue Save button. Once their changes have been saved, we can navigate back to the designer. Once we've reached the designer, we'll navigate again to the top left-hand side before clicking Add Elements and scrolling down until we find Embed. Now that our HTML embed code editor has popped up, we'll be able to flip back into the Ghost side before copying the second provided snippet. Once we've copied that, we can flip back into Webflow before pasting our video snippet in the provided box. We can save and close these changes. Publish our site so we'll be able to view them live before previewing the site. And there we have it. Your Ghost interactive video implementation has been completed with all videos on site. Thank you for following along with our guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, the Ghost support team is here to help. Don't forget to explore all the features and benefits that Ghost has to offer.